A God Word This. A daily reading from the Jamaican New Testament by Ethnodoxologist Joanne Richards Goffe.
Greetings. You ever pray for 1 hour yet? How long you think you can pray for? Think about it. And while you think about it, if you want more people to hear God talk to them in the Jamaican language, then click the like button, drop one comment below, and share this video with all of your friends. And if you not do it yet, do it now. Click the subscribe button and the notification bell too. To make sure so you don't miss none of what I go on. Right there so. Today, I'm going to read from the good news about Jesus as according to Mark chapter 14 from verse 32 to verse 42. Then go to one place called Gethsemane. And Jesus tell them, say, sit down here so while me go pray. So he take Peter, James, and John with him. And him did well sad. And him heart did heavy. Him said to them, say, my heart heavy, so tell me feel like that pressure you go kill me. Can you so? And keep watch. Then he go a little further, drop himself flat to ground and pray and beg God, say, if me not have to suffer then terrible sitting here, no make me suffer. Him say, Father, my Father, not there where you can't do. Save me from the terrible sufferation, yeah. But if I saw you want it to go, all right then. When he go back, when special follower them did they, him find them asleep. So him said to Simon Peter, say, you asleep? You couldn't keep watch for 1 hour. No sleep, keep watch and pray, say, uno no face nothing where we cause uno fi sin. Cause in our heart, uno want do it right. But uno are just people, and that make uno weak. Jesus go back and pray the same thing again. When he come back again, him find them fast asleep. They couldn't keep their eye open, and they never know what he said to him. When Jesus come back to them the third time, him ask them, say, uno still asleep and a rest? Enough of that. The time come now. Look, them are going to sell out the man where God pick and turn him over to the wicked people them. Uno get up. Make we go now. Look, see the one where sell me out a come there. And God word this. Thank God.
Want more info? Check the description box. Little more.